actually behind me, so let me just turn around. Morning everyone. JK. Morning everyone. So yesterday we went to Ed Sheeran. I'll put in a couple of clips of that. I didn't really vlog it, but I filmed a lot of the performance. Listening to our faith, I have faith in what I see. I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight. Everything. Thank you to whoever did that. Like, he's everything. Okay. Today, humongous case on my bed. I'm going to China. So I was chosen, I think I mentioned it, I don't remember, but I was chosen to go speak at a university in China. And my voice sounds like this. It's not like because it's morning. No, it's kind of like burnt. And so I think maybe hot water with some lemon will help that. But I'm glad I didn't lose it because I was screaming a lot yesterday. He was everything, and you can't just sit there and keep quiet. So I'm just putting away the last of my stuff in there. My flight leaves at 12:30. And I have to be at the airport at 9 because it's an international flight. And so it is just past 7. And I want to start the vlog off so that anything else that I vlog, I have an intro. So yeah, let's go. We're going to China, you and me. You're going with me. So let's do this. Let's go. Let's see. I've been there 3 times. And so, but I'm going to a completely different place now. So I guess I'm like semi-excited, but it would have been nice to go somewhere different, like get a different passport stamp. But passport gang, let's go. Hi everyone, so we're at the airport. I just did all that hassle, like the immigration, checking in, all that stuff. So we are just waiting for the other people to get here, and then we are going to board the plane. I'm here with most of the crew, but hopefully it's a smooth trip forward. It's quite a long trip. We're traveling for a whole day, I'm sure. We're inside, we're seated, we're by the window. There's 3-seater though, so we're gonna struggle with this whole bathroom thing, but I think she's really lovely. I think she'll get out.
But lovely to a certain extent.
Well, we're not like crazy bathroom freaks. So guys, we are at the airport. We have a layover. How many hours total? It's like we arrived at like 7:30, I think.
No, 5 minutes before 8.
Wow. Okay, yeah. So it's like a 13-hour layover. So we're here at the airport, Hong Kong airport, and we're just lounging around for now. Do you want to go somewhere? Yeah, I don't mind. I really don't mind sitting here. It's an airport, love. Like, I'm tired. I didn't sleep at all on the plane. It was a 13-hour flight. Oh, actually, it was 11.
11 hours,
Yeah.
47 minutes.
Oh, 12. It was a 12-hour flight. I didn't sleep, not even a little bit, not even a little bit. So, I'm here. I look like this. I'm stressed AF.
You look so dodgy.
You really do. Like, she's not going. So we're gonna figure out what we want to do.
Oh, it's not fair that you have a hoodie.
Are you joking? Even my cropped sweater that I was gonna wear has a hoodie.
How do you have those that have hoodies?
H&M, though. It's not. It's 300 rand.
For half a piece of clothing?
Yeah. You know, Ed Sheeran was selling his cap for 300 rand. So,
That said what?
Ed Sheeran,
I said what?
his cap.
Get this. Get 300. That
Oh,
says
snap back.
Never. Never in my life.
Ed Sheeran.
In my life.
But this New York cap is like 500 bucks, like an original New York cap.
Yeah, but those are usually expensive.
Yeah, those brands. So yeah, we're figuring ourselves out, and okay, guys, so we just arrived, and we're on our way to our hotel. It's like 10 o'clock here. Yeah, let's go. I'm so tired. I've been traveling since 9 o'clock this morning. Well, yesterday morning. It's a little confusing. Yeah. Okay, so I'll check in again at the hotel.
Oh, sorry about that.
Hi everyone. So we just arrived at our hotel room. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, so this is Bali, as you know. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do the little tour. So this is the door, the entrance door. This is my entrance. So I put the little cardie over there. And when you step in, there's this little section here, real cute, with like kettle, tea, coffee. In this bathroom. How cute is this? Like, I love it. It's simple, but it's clean. You know, clean is like the one. There's like a whole water, I don't know how many pack that is, maybe 18. And then we have this little vanity area. Super cute. There's like a light in that box there. Then it's got this and a really nice looking soap. And this is me after, I think, what, 24 hours of traveling? We've been traveling for a whole day. This is me. Still cute as a button. Oh, look how cute is this? They have like earbuds and soap and toothbrushes. Okay. Hi. Yeah, they do have condoms. Okay. And then we got, I just picked this one. I don't really have a preference. If they come in and steal me, they steal me first. I'm joking. They can't carry me.
Yeah, they can actually.
They can't carry me. Okay. Then we got this little cute section. Oh, and we have this table over here. Super cute. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called Fiza. Oh my gosh. I'll put a word on the screen for you. How cute is this little tea section? And then
Sit and drink tea.
this is Bali and her section over here doing her use. And we have little slippers.
Oh, snap.
Can you put the lights on? Thanks. We have slippers over there. And Joe. It's a really cute room, no joke.
Actually, like, I'm proud of
Like, and there's a little alarm
I'm
clock.
proud of you, Jay.
But I don't know how to use that. We'll figure it out though, right? Okay, so that's my room tour. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm gonna go shower and get into bed. It is legitimately 12 o'clock at night. So we left Joburg at 12:30. And we are this side Monday, 12 o'clock. So right now in Joburg, it's 5 a.m. Yeah. So that's great. 5 a.m. Monday. This is 12 o'clock. We're into Tuesday already. So here's Tuesday. Joburg still has Monday. But yeah, that's everything, and I will hopefully continue vlogging tomorrow.